ASPAP. ASPAP is After School Sports and Physical Activity Program. Um, the problem statement, based on the physical fitness test conducted in February 2025, 83 out of 331 students, 25% from grades 3 to 5 at Leopoldo B. Santos Elementary School showed limited physical engagement outside their regular PE classes. Project objective statement, to increase the physical activity participation and sports skill development of at least 15% of the 83 identified learners from grades 3 to 5 with limited physical engagement by implementing structured after-school and weekend sports program from June 2024 to March 2025. Root cause, lack of exposure and awareness of structured physical activity opportunities. Okay, so next is here's the project work plan and budget metrics. We have the activity, output, date of implementation, person responsible, the budget, and the budget source. We have here orientation and launching on ASPAP, pre-selection of student athletes, regular after-school weekend trainings, integration of sports in PE subjects, parent orientation and consent, friendly matches, home and away, participation in competition, major evaluation, and progress report. Okay, and then output, we have the increased awareness and interest in sports, identified screen student athletes, improve physical skills and sports readiness, reinforce physical skills during class, inform and supportive parents, sports exposure and experience, district to nation level exposure, monitored and documented athlete progress. So, and so on. So, here we go. We have also next is continuation, physical fitness post test, and then our awarding and recognition ceremony. Okay, so yan, para mapabilis. We also have the ASPAP program is aligned with the school sports program. So, detailed, nandito na yung detail natin dyan for some aligned activities. Ayan. So, next is schedules or the program. And then, okay, dito naman we have what we call standard norms and seconds. Dito tayo kumuha ng data or nag-base ng data. Okay, so nakalagay dito sa the 40 meter sprint, age 9 to 12. So dito align sa age 9 to 12. So we have 6 seconds to 9.5 seconds is okay, meaning from fair, good, very good, and excellent. So pasok yan. 6 seconds to 9.5 seconds, 40 meter running sprint. So pag pumatak naman siya ng 9.6 up seconds is need improvement siya. So dito tayo nagbase ng needs natin sa sa physical activity. Okay, so sa girls naman we have 7 seconds to 10.5 seconds. Okay, kasi from fair, good, very good, and excellent. Sa girls naman yan. So needs improvement, ito na. So from 10.6 seconds up. So lahat naman yan ay considered needs improvement. Ayan. So dyan tayo nagbase ng data kung sino yung mga isasama natin sa kung ano yung pinakalayunin natin that needs improvement. So, dito tayo nagbase sa standard norms, iba't ibang each category, and then nandito yung mga nila classification. Okay, next is dito tayo kung paano ginagawa yung when you see subjects. Ito yung instead of name of pupils, nilalagay ay subjects. Subject 1, meaning ito yung runner 1, subject 2, runner 2, subject 3, runner 3, subject 4, runner 5, subject 5, runner 5, subject 6, runner 6. So, instead na name ang nilalagay, we used to say subjects. Ayan, para hindi mabuli yung mga bata kasi pag na-expose na yung result nila, masyadong yung sasabihin nila bobo tumakbo kasi mahina tumakbo. So para sa kanilang privacy din, and then para hindi sila mabuli. So we were using subjects instead of name of pupils. Okay, so ito example ng high school yan, so hindi sa atin yan. Ang LM is meron naman yan. So ito, yes, so nandiyan yung LM 9 to 12. Yung sample na ginamit natin ay ibang category yan, 17 years old yan. Pero pinakita ko lang to show na why is it we are using subject or runner 1, subject 1, subject 2, runner 2, gano'n. And then next is meron tayo dito physical fitness test, post-test. So from grade 3, 4, and 5, we have 40 meter sprint in last February. So malabas dito is grade 3 is 114, grade 4 is 107, and grade 5 is 110. So ito yung mga numbers ng needs improvement. 34 sa grade 3, 29 sa grade 4, and 20 sa grade 5. Okay, so let's go. Ayan, ito na yung mga sinasabi ko kanina na list, subjects, S1 runner 1, S2 runner 2, S3 runner 3. So yung S is refers to subjects. Okay, so yun yung mga instead of names. Okay, so followed by and so on. So may mga nakalagay dyan na at, or ibig sabihin yan is identify dyan yung mga needs improvement. Yan. Okay, so go on. Okay, so tayo dito. Yan, so grade 5, that's grade 5. Ito na yung okay, so ang ating structured physical activity is dalawang pupuntahan ng natin, ng training ng ating project. First is sa mga athletes, students to become athletes, at sa iba naman is students for for improving their health, physical activity. Yan, okay. So ito yung mga accomplishment natin, awa ng Diyos. And then, ayan, so active tayo sa mga competition. Ayan, so nag-level up lalo. Yung, okay. Ayan, so, okay. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.